Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair when you have medium length hair just like me. So let's get started. So what you should do is just brush off your hair, and what I do is normally just part my hair in half and tie the other half, the other section. So I will start from the right hair side. Okay, so what I do first is I part my hair small section. Let's get started with a curler, 180 degrees Celsius hot. And when I curl, I just move it away from my face. Another part, parting a section of my hair again. And this time, because it's a big part, because as you go further up where you part your hair, there's always more hair. So this time I part it into two small sections and I curl it outwards or moving away from my face. If let's say you are holding the curler, move it backwards, away from your face. Okay, and I will repeat that step again, this one with the other section of the hair. Try to do it in smaller section because it's easier for you to curl and the curl will stay longer. Okay, and again, try to give some time to do this. It's not really hard to do this, but it takes some time. This here, I part my hair with three sections. Second one, which is in the middle, I curl it inwards towards my face. And this one upwards. So when there's three sections, there's the maximum hair section that I part my hair. So I always part it outwards and then inwards and then outwards again. So here's what I do. I repeat again the whole thing. You can see throughout the video, I repeat the same thing and try to do it in slow motion. If it's too fast, just say it in slow motion. Okay, guys? If you want a very beautiful volume curl for your hair, take your time to do this because it really gives your hair that volume. If you have no time, then you can go opt for a beach wave instead. Let me know if you guys want to know how to do beach waves, and I'll shoot the video for you. Another way that I like to curl my hair is to tilt the curling iron upside down, and with the small section of my hair, I wrapped it around backwards and inwards, and this create a very soft S-curl like effect. And I really do love to do this type of technique when I am curling a long strand of hair. And if I have a shorter strand of hair to curl, I use the basic curling movement that I showed you earlier when I started to do my curl. So when I wanted my curl to look more S-like and a bit more beautiful, I tilt the curling iron upside down and I wrap my hair around it. That's my other technique of curling my hair. Now let's move on to the other part of our hair. And this is what I've mentioned earlier, that when I have a shorter strand of hair, I use the basic curling steps, which is I clip the hair first, then I roll it either inwards or backwards. That to me is a basic one. And when I have a longer strand of hair, I will tilt the curling iron upside down and I'll create it that S-curl that I like. There's a difference between the basic curl and the S-curl, and I find that when you do a basic curl with the curling iron, your hair tends to curl in a bigger wave, and if you prefer to have or do a beach wave, then that will be perfect. Whereas I prefer my hair to have that volume and more of a curl. That's why I chose to do the S-curl. Now let's moving on doing the fringe. So that little section of the hair, I'm just going to curl it backwards away from my face, and the small fringe just curl just like that. Yeah, it's very easy, right? So here it goes. There's my hair. What do you think? You can even opt to use a hair extension. So here I'm just using a hair extension to give more volume to my hair. There, because I really love volume hair. So if let's say you want to add more volume, you can always opt to use a hair extension. It's a clip-in, and you can either style your hair like tie it half, just like that. I feel that makes my looks a bit more sweet, but it's up to you though. This is another ways of how you can style your hair when you have a curly hair. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. And do let me know if you have any ideas or any comments. Just comment down below in the box. And please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you do like my video. Thank you so much. Love